Greetings of love, peace, health, happiness, and prosperity. So I just wanted to upload a real quick video for you all today to let you know that this coming Sunday will be day number 1 for our 21-day juice fast. Now, if you wasn't here to see the live stream I did, as I stated, we are going to be doing 21 days. You do not have to do the entire 21 days. But if you never fast before, you have to do a minimum of 3 days. Remember, a minimum of 3 days. It's easy. You won't have a problem with it. It will be just smooth. Trust me. Now, the 21 days, if you want to do the entire 21 days, then you can do that as well. I am only doing 14 days. So that's just 2 weeks. I'm not going the entire 21 days because I don't want to suffer the gains that I'm making in the gym. So those of you who want to do 21 days, we will still be doing motivational videos for you. We'll still, cheer for you. Now, like I said, I am doing this on this channel, but I'm also doing it in my round table where people have direct contact with me and they can call in and basically tell me their issues if they have any. For the YouTube channel, for those of you who are going to participate in a 21-day juice fast, whether you're doing 3 days minimum or a maximum or a minimum or like a moderate of 14 days or 10 days, you can do 10 days. So you can do 3 days, 10 days, 14 days, or 21 days. So if you're doing the moderate of 10 to 14 days or 21 days, I will be able to teach you how to do the breaking of it. And that's very important. And that will be taught here on YouTube. The thing about it is that I don't know if I'm going to do a live stream or not. I don't know if I'm going to be able to accept questions. However, I am seeing you all questions in the comments, and I'm going to be answering them as soon as I see them. So I saw someone ask a question about, hey, what about those who did not get a chance to prep? Well, that's on you. I remember one time when I did not prep 2 weeks ahead of time for a juice fast, and there has been times where I literally ate like a whole bunch of junk food. Now, I haven't done that in years, by the way. This is long time ago. So I remember eating a whole bunch of junk food 3 days before I was supposed to go fast. Now, of course, I did well by, doing the salads, basically doing the juices and then getting my body ready. But when that day came, I did my 21. Believe it or not, I was able to do 21 days because I was like, dude, I'm going 21 days without eating these veggie burgers, without eating these French fries. So, and here's the deal. What will happen when you do stuff like that is you'll go through a healing crisis. Now, this is the problem what I encountered because I did all of that junk food, binge on all that food 3 days before I was about to go on the 21 juice fast. Because I've been doing this for many years. When I took a sabbatical, I just stopped doing it online, but I still did it within my personal groups. And if you still want to do it, you can. I'm just letting you guys know, don't let no one stop you. So the purpose of the 1 week and 2 week prep is so that you don't encounter a healing crisis. That is the purpose of the preps. We want to make sure that you don't have a healing crisis. And if you do, let me know or send us an email, and we will do our best to get contact. This is the benefits of being part of my roundtable is that you get an immediate response. And also every Tuesday, you get to talk to me personally, okay? And through phone as well. Okay, so I think that's it. I just wanted to give this really quick video out here. As you can see on the video, it starts this Sunday, okay? It starts at this Sunday, all right? And it'll end the last Sunday of this month. So if you have not prepped, it's up to you if you want to start with the rest of us on Sunday. Also, if you're not going to 21 days, if you're not going to go the entire 21 days, then you can just go ahead and prep. Like, make sure this week you prep, like getting rid of all the meats and the sugars. And the next week you can go raw. And then while we're into it on the second week, that could be your first week if you're just doing anywhere from 3 to 10 days. So I hope that answers your question. And I think that's it. So listen, I will probably do a live stream this Sunday for those of you who are starting. And we can probably go over some recipes. If you have any questions you want to ask me in reference to the 21-day juice fast that we have every year, this is the time to do it. So I will see you all this Sunday, okay? This Sunday for a live stream for the first day of our spring cleaning of our mind, body, and spirit. We're going to be doing that, and I look forward to seeing you there. Peace and blessings.